Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A57s. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C port and then plug it to your smartphone. Enter Settings, go to System Settings and then enable OTG connection. Thanks to OTG connection, you can go to My Files, and now your OTG pendrive is recognized. Thanks to that, you can browse every folder it has. To disconnect your pendrive, simply plug it out. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.